Hello, friends. I wanted to tell you about the function called Studio within Canvas. You'll find that along the side navigation. When you click Studio, you'll get your dashboard of videos that you have recorded for your class. In order to record, there's a button at the top called Record. You can do a screen capture or your webcam capture. If you choose the screen capture option, you'll be prompted to download Screencast-O-Matic to your computer, and that allows you to make a demonstration of everything that's on your screen. If you choose the webcam capture, you'll be prompted to record a video right here within Canvas. Once you record your video, it will save to the Studio dashboard. You can also add videos, either that you've already created or maybe something that you want to import from YouTube. Once you've created your video, you can add it to your modules. I'm just going to pick one of my sample modules that I've already created. I'm going to enter that module, choose Edit to get the text editor. Drag this down a little bit so I have more space. Now let's say I want to add a video to the end of this lesson. I'm going to add some spaces. So this is where I want to insert it. To insert the video, I'm going to choose my More options and get the Apps plugin. I'm going to search for Studio, and there it is. Click Studio. And it's going to show you the videos that you have already recorded within Studio. Here's my sample video. I'm going to select that one. You can choose whether you want to allow comments or not, or a download option. I'm going to turn off comments and embed. Give it a second. And there's the video I created within my Studio. Click Save. And then here's what my students will see. They can click play to play the video. Hope that helps.